So I have been busy all morning baking some yummy recipes. This one is banana chocolate chip cookies, and they are delicious. They taste like banana bread and chocolate chip cookies made a baby. They have the perfect texture. They're not too cakey, a little cakey, but just slightly. They still have a great cookie texture, so that's what I love about these. They made the house smell amazing. This Pyrex container's from Target, and I still have a few over here because I'm going to be giving some away to my family. I'm gonna go deliver them later so everyone can give them a try, because we surely do not need to eat all of them. And then I'm also making edible intestines. Any guesses? Cinnamon rolls. And they're kind of shaped like intestines. You'll see later how I do that. Of course, I'm filming a reel, so I'll show you in a moment. So we're having edible intestines and eggs, over medium eggs for brunch today. These are actually cinnamon rolls with food coloring for the icing. Hey you guys, so I just dropped off cookies and edible intestines, the leftovers, to my brother and Haley and my parents so that everyone gets to try them. I always try to do that when I do recipes over the weekend. I can't always do it during the week, but I didn't know I was also gonna get goodies delivered to me when I went to my parents. My dad made pepperoni bread. His bread is the best. He makes such good bread. That's like his specialty. And this pepperoni bread, I've shown it here on my channel before, but probably a good year or so ago. It's so good. So good. And then my mom was so cute, and she was at Ulta yesterday and she found these Too Faced pumpkin spice palette and a lippy, and she got them for me because she's so cute. This one's called Pumpkin Spice Second Slice Sweet and Spicy Eyeshadow Palette. So it obviously is like the secondary one of the pumpkin spice palette, which I do have. Those colors all look really gorgeous. So I will be trying this out this week and let you guys know what I think. And then this one is slightly different than the other pumpkin pie liquid lip that I have from Too Faced. This is one of their melted matte liquid lips. It smells like pumpkin spice. So I will compare this one when I get home to the other pumpkin pie one that I have and see if it's close enough or different. I'm pretty sure that it's slightly more red than the one I have now. So I'll show you when I get home. All right, I'm home now. I wanted to share the palette with you guys. Look how beautiful these colors are. I cannot wait to try them out. I have not had a new palette in forever. So this is the new Pumpkin Spice Latte shade, but let me show you it in comparison to the other pumpkin spice themed liquid lips they've done in the past. Okay, so here is the new Pumpkin Spice Latte color. Here is the pumpkin spice one that I've had from previous years, which is definitely lighter. And then we have Gingerbread Man and Gingerbread Girl, which all of these you can see are in the same family. Gingerbread Girl is quite a bit darker. Gingerbread Man is still darker and a little bit more brown. And then the Pumpkin Spice Latte new one has a little bit closer to Gingerbread Man, I would say, but still different. So I'm going to swatch all of these for you guys to see if it's a must-have for you, but it does smell incredible like pumpkin spice. So definitely added benefit, but all of these smell really good. They all have like a little scent to them. And I love all these shades for fall, so that's why I'm sharing it with you. Okay, let me swatch them real quick and show you how close they are. So here they are swatched. They are clearly very different. I wouldn't say very different, but they are very different in my opinion. They are in the same shade family, but they all have different tones. So the one on the far left is Pumpkin Spice, which I use quite a lot because it's kind of like a neutral pumpkin spice color. And then this one's more dark, the new Pumpkin Spice Latte. It's darker with more red and brown tones. It's right next to it. Really pretty though. And then we have Gingerbread Girl and Gingerbread Man. So they're definitely all in the same warm, caramely, tone color category, but different. So I will wear it tomorrow with a full face of makeup so you guys can see it a little bit better.
Your biggest one.
Okay, so we're here at Home Goods and you see all the cute Halloween over here, right? And I'll show you a little more of it in a second, but then Christmas. I'm so excited. Their stuff is so cute. They have cute mugs. Look how cute these fall toys are for the doggies. A pie. Tricky football. So my new silicone baking mats came in from Amazon. I use these all the time in place of like parchment paper. And I'm gonna be doing a lot more baking with the holidays coming. This was my old mat. I'm so ashamed to say this was my old mat. It is so disgustingly ready to be thrown out. So in the garbage it goes. So as you guys know, my mom and I just went to Home Goods and TJ Maxx. I was hoping to find a few extra goodies for Haley's birthday present. I already have some goodies for her, but I did pick up this card. It says, "Don't count the candles, just enjoy the glow. Happy birthday." I thought that was cute because she's gonna turn 30. And then me and her both are so excited for Christmas, and we are very much into Christmas. So I saw these really cute, and we love Disney too. So I saw these really cute Disney themed bag clips, and they're magnetic for your fridge, and they have like teals and blues in the house. So I thought this would work for them too. And I did get myself a set as well. And then I did get one of these mugs for me and one for Haley as well for her birthday. It's this adorable gingerbread house little mug. How stinking cute is that, you guys? And it was $5.99. Adorable. Had to get one. And then I got myself a new lash curler. This was the Revlon and Barbie collaboration, but I love the Revlon eyelash curlers, and added plus that it was hot pink and Barbie. So I got that at TJ Maxx. Got one of those sets for myself. And then I also got one of these cheese boards. Look how cute this is. I love the marble with the wood, and it's in the shape of a gingerbread man, which is what my entire kitchen is decorated for. It's all gingerbread theme usually at Christmas. So I just thought this would be super cute for that. And that's all I got while I was out, but I'll show you what her bag looks like. I also got her a Jaclyn Hill lip oil, another Too Faced lippy, and a really cute little makeup bag. So yeah, I'm gonna put that all together right now. Don't mind the noise in the background, but look how cute her package came out. All ready to go. So I am making a sausage tortellini soup. This is the sausage that I've already pre-browned. It's gonna have spinach as well. Here's the tortellini that I'm gonna prepare in a moment here. 4 cups of chicken broth. I've already got flour. 1/4 cup of flour in here. Carrots and onions we're sauteing, but I'm whisking in. You can see it's getting thick. It's a nice soup, thick soup. And I feel like it's perfect for start of fall. Okay, I'll let you know how it looks after. Good morning. It's my Monday, but it's truly Tuesday. And I just don't feel like it today. But I feel like that's every start of my week. I'm just like, nah, no work, please. I feel like maybe everyone feels like that, even if you love your job. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I have this sparkly headband on today. It's feeling like a crown and I'm kind of loving it. I did use the Too Faced, that new pumpkin spice palette that I have, and I did like it, but I didn't give it like a full try. I haven't swatched a ton of the colors yet. I've only used 3 of the shades, so I can't really give a full review on it yet, but I do like it so far. And then I'm wearing my Target dress that I should stop wearing it because it's not available anymore, and you guys are gonna be like, thank you, Melissa, we can't get that dress anymore. But don't worry, because I just made an Amazon order, and some of the things have been coming in for fall, like clothing stuff. And some of the pieces I was like, so I'm returning them, but some of the pieces are really good, like really good quality, and I was impressed. So I'll be sharing that with you later in the week, but also got myself a Starbucks for the week, pumpkin cold brew. It's been my go-to lately of the season. Okay, I am procrastinating going inside, so let me get going. I will talk to you guys later. We are on our way to Haley's birthday dinner. We're going to Cooper Hawk's Winery. I think that's what it's called. I keep getting confused on the name, but it's in Chandler, and I've actually really wanted to try this place out. My mom blessed us with her stew today. Perfect fall meal. Hey you guys, I'm parked, almost going to take off my nails. I know usually I do 3 weeks. This time I only did 2 weeks because we're going to Disney next week. It's actually been 2.5 weeks. So I'm getting kind of a Disney theme on my nails. You guys will see after. But I'm like not 100% if I'm gonna do it or not. We'll see if the nail artist feels like they can do it or not. And Chris was so sweet. We didn't have lunch together today, but as I was about to leave work, he dropped off a Diet Coke for me, which was so sweet, because then, yeah, I got to get here quicker. Okay, I'm gonna get into my nail appointment and I'll show you them after. You guys, how cool is my little poison apple skull? Isn't he cool? I think this one's even cooler than the other one. And then I just did plain black on the others because I wanted it to really stand out. But it's so cool. Which one do you guys like better? I think I like the one on the left better, but they're both cool. Just made these vampire cookies with marshmallows, chocolate chip cookies, and almond slivers. Super easy. Anyways, just was filming that and thought I would share with you guys too here on the vlog. Holly got a bath today. Look how fluffy she looks. And guess who else got a bath? Where's Lucy? There's Lucy. She got a bath too. I wanted to show you guys, but I have to blend it in really quick. I love this Nova Beauty liquid highlighter. This is in soft gold. I've been using it all over my cheek area, underneath my makeup, and it makes my makeup look so glowy and pretty. Like, look at that. You can use it on top of your foundation too, but look at that, it's so pretty. I put a little on my Cupid's bow too. And then above, like on my brow. All right, let me blend that out, but I'll show you what my makeup looks after I finish. But tonight I'm going to like this witchy woman party that Kiana is throwing, and it's outside, and it'll just be really fun with some girl friends. So I will share that with you later. Here's the finished product. And let me show you what I used. Okay, so here are all the products I used for my eyes. I used the Charlotte Tilbury base in Golden Eclipse. Look how gorgeous this is. This alone is so pretty when you're doing like no makeup days, you know, when you just want a little bit of glow on your lids. It's so pretty. But anyways, I used that as my base, and then I've been using this palette all week long. I do really like it. I think it has some really beautiful shades. I don't think you need it if you already have, you know, shades similar to these, but it is a beautiful palette, and I especially love the sparkly shades. As you can probably tell, I've used those more, but the matte shades I've used are mostly right here. And then for my bronzer, I used the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, the Airbrush bronzer in number 2. The Natasha Denona Glow for my highlight. The Too Faced blush. This one is called I Will Always Love You. I don't think you can find this anymore. I'm not sure. And then for my lip combo, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this lip combo. So the Melted Matte that I just recently got from Mama B in PSL, Pumpkin Spice Latte, so beautiful. And I paired it with this darker lip liner in brown number 1 from Nova Beauty. I think it's so pretty. I love that combo. And then for my lashes, I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise primer and mascara. And that's pretty much it. But if there's any other questions you have about what I used for my makeup, ask me down below, but I will link everything that I talked about today. So since it's a witchy woman party, I'm wearing my Black Flame Candle Sanderson Sisters shirt from Unique Vintage. And I'll show you the wine I'm bringing for the host. Here it is, the Door County Witch's Brew. And this is a semi-dry grape, plum, and strawberry wine. Thought it's quite appropriate for tonight's witchy woman party. So I'm going to bring this for Kiana. And this is how Holly acts when she knows I'm leaving. My baby. Walking up to the house, and look how cute. Little ghost setup. She's around the corner dressed as a witch too. It's so cute.